Words that inspire conversations. Certain words and phrases have the power to spark meaningful discussions, build connections, and encourage deeper thinking. Below are examples of inspiring words, their impact on conversations, and how they can be used effectively. 1. Why it inspires. This simple word invites curiosity and exploration. Asking why opens the door to understanding motivations, opinions, and deeper insights. Example in conversation. Person 1. I think renewable energy is the future. Person 2. Why do you think that? Impact encourages critical thinking and uncovers the reasoning behind statements. 2. Imagine why it inspires. This word taps into creativity and possibilities, making people think beyond the present moment. Example in conversation. Imagine a world where everyone had access to quality education. What do you think would change? Impact promotes visionary thinking and encourages brainstorming. 3. What if why it inspires. Similar to imagine, this phrase encourages speculation and opens up possibilities. Example in conversation. What if we combined our efforts to solve this issue? How would that look? Impact invites collaborative problem solving and innovative ideas. 4. Tell me more, why it inspires. This phrase shows genuine interest and encourages the other person to share more details. Example in conversation. Person 1. I started learning photography recently. Person 2. That's amazing. Tell me more about what inspired you. Impact builds trust and deepens the connection. 5. How can I help? Why it inspires. This phrase shows empathy and a willingness to support, fostering a sense of collaboration. Example in conversation. You seem stressed about the project. How can I help? Impact strengthens relationships by offering support and shared effort. 6. What do you think? Why it inspires. This question values the other person's opinion, making them feel heard and respected. Example in conversation. I'm considering starting a blog. What do you think about that idea? Impact encourages dialogue and mutual respect. 7. Thank you for sharing. Why it inspires. This phrase shows appreciation for someone's input, encouraging further openness. Example in conversation. Person 1. I've been feeling overwhelmed lately. Person 2. Thank you for sharing that with me. How can I support you? Impact fosters a safe environment for honest communication. 8. That's a great question. Why it inspires. This acknowledgement validates curiosity and encourages further exploration. Example in conversation. Person 1. Why do we focus so much on personal growth? Person 2. That's a great question. Let's talk about it. Impact motivates deeper thinking and engagement. 9. I appreciate that. Why it inspires. Expressing gratitude can uplift the mood and keep the conversation positive. Example in conversation. Person 1. I stayed late to finish the report. Person 2. I really appreciate that. It means a lot. Impact reinforces positive behaviors and strengthens bonds. 10. Let's explore this together. Why it inspires. This phrase emphasizes collaboration and mutual discovery, making the other person feel included. Example in conversation. This topic is new to me too. Let's explore this together and see what we find. Impact builds teamwork and a shared sense of curiosity. Final thoughts. Words that inspire conversations are often those that invite curiosity, empathy, and collaboration. By incorporating these phrases into your daily interactions, you can foster meaningful discussions, build stronger relationships, and encourage creativity.